was a very nice day. Geijer was with automatic or what is it? Yes.
Yeah.
Today on the 14th of July 2025, what was this? Like Torikatu 13?
Yeah.
Like a small, not really shopping center, but commercial building.
Yeah.
In Heinola, Lahti region, Finland. 2 floors. Yeah, land feature here. So it's in 1985, December 582. It's like air conditioning here, but
Yeah.
it's colder inside.
Yeah.
There's 8 persons, horses, diagrams, but let's see if case open.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It deserves the rights.
Yeah.
It's hydraulic. The gate is broken.
Yeah.
I love this style as preliminary pictures.
Yeah.
For the Fluctu is working on that side.
Yeah.
The road is on this side.
Yeah.
And check the. Yes, it's like an older job also.
Yeah.
I love the sunset smoking.
Yeah. Same.
Or, yeah, but yeah. Still, that was the first light.
Yeah.
First light. One. But they could have also made Valmet with TV pictures.
Yeah. Niistä piti paikkimaisuttaa, että me ei tehnyt vaikka kouni.
But maybe it was too expensive. So.
Yeah.
This is yeah.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, all the lamps are broken on this side.
Yeah.
But apparently outside the lamps are working better.
Yeah.
I know 2 on that side was working.
Yeah.
But it was luckily still original.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah.
But strange.
Yeah.
What? I don't know. That's weird.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Thanks. The long lamp is broken.
Yeah.
It was broken on K, I think.
Yeah.
But 2, I wonder if 2 is working.
Yeah.
I don't know. Then it's going to be this.
Yeah. That's
Yep.